So many people are using AI wrong when they are creating, and that's the difference between burnout and balance. And so in this mini training, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create these the right way using AI, and then also how to implement them in your day-to-day operations so that they're just not a document sitting in a file.
Here's the truth. SOPs don't fail because they're poorly written. They fail because no one's been trained to use them. If your team doesn't know how to find the document, reference the document, use the document in their daily workflow, then your systems won't stick. It's not enough to create a folder of SOPs and expect your team to figure it out. That's not delegation, that's avoidance. As a business owner, your role is to be an advocate, not a delegator.
Hi, I am Saida Mitchell, and I am a operations and digital project manager, helping overwhelmed founders turn their messy workflows into a well-oiled machine. So I've been where you are. I have ran 2 stores, managing a team of 3, and wearing many hats. I've used SOP for onboarding and marketing. If you made it this far in the video, please hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join my community. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. So let's get back to the mini training. So now, as you see in my prompt over here, where it starts where we're asking AI to act as if they are an operations expert and write a very clear and step-by-step SOP for your retail business. Next, you want to give it context, the team size and the tone in which you would like this to be written. Then you want to provide it with the task. So write a complete SOP for whether that is handling a customer, managing inventory, opening the store. This is where you put that task. Next, you're going to provide it with the following sections. So you want to talk about the purpose of this SOP, the scope, like what and who it applies to, the tools that is needed, so what systems, materials that is needed for this, provide the step-by-step instructions. Then you want to talk about the quality standards and add troubleshooting, so any common mistakes and how to fix them. And then you want to talk about the frequency, so how often will this SOP be updated? The second step is you're going to let AI draft your SOP while you edit for clarity and detail. And then third, you're going to store them in a file either on your Google Drive, or you can use Asana or Notion is what I recommend. And you're going to store them in a system so your team can actually use them. And when you do this, your business starts running smoother without you micromanaging. Now, the systems I do recommend are Google Drive for most people. Now, with Google, you can see that they viewed it. Now, with Asana and Notion, you can have them mark that they've completed it and that they've read it.
For example, in my store, I had no problem walking my team through onboarding, but when it came to tasks like email marketing, I knew that wasn't something to pass to a sales clerk. That's a role for a marketing specialist. However, if you've created a detailed SOP and provided effective training, even a computer-savvy clerk could take a pre-written email, upload it into your email platform, schedule it to send. That's the power of clear documentation and proper training. These alone don't build freedom. People using them correctly do.
If you need this prompt, it's in the comments, so you can just copy and paste it and utilize it in AI. Remember, you don't need more, you need better systems. So if you can subscribe to this video, and next week, I'll show you how to use automation so you can save more time in your business. And you enjoy your day, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you soon.